The RHT is a high-performance hydro turbine designed to enable safe fish passage at low-head sites. In high-head hydropower facilities, fish injury from pressure and shear is common, but at low-head, blade strike and grinding are of primary concern. The thick, blunt leading edges of the RHT slow and deflect fish away from the dangerous leading edge zone during a strike. Natel Energy and Alden Research Lab have observed this effect in laboratory testing. In the RHT, the acute forward slant of the blade also reduces strike severity. Because blade velocity increases with radius, conventional straight turbine blades are most dangerous to fish near the tip. A steep slant in this region results in a safer, glancing blade contact. Finally, the RHT prevents grinding injury by minimizing gaps between stationary and moving components and has no converging features, which can cause serious injury to eels and other fish. These unique design features enable a survival rate greater than 99% for fish entrained in the RHT in many conditions and enable the development of carbon-free baseload energy.